Hello everyone, dear students of class 4th. So in our last video we have done the revision of some miscellaneous questions, and in this video we are going to do the revision of our lesson number 17 and 18. So let's start. 17, lines and shapes. Okay. First of all, can you tell me what is line? Yes, what is line? Okay, what is point? So first of all, a point has a position, a place. Okay, so for example, this is a point. Okay, because these are having shape, a particular position. Now, what is line? Line is a simple straight, okay, which is passing through a point and doesn't mean that it will stop. Means there is no segment, no proper measurement of a line. It can increase from here as well as from here also. Understood? Whereas line segment, what is line segment? A line segment is a segment which can be measured of particular length. Okay, from here to here, for example A and B, okay, which is drawn from A to B. Okay, a particular measurement is there. Okay, so this is the line. Line can go on and on, extending beyond the B also. Okay, this is so these are known as the endpoints. Understood? So let's move. Closed shapes. Now what is closed shapes? Anything which is closed. For example, this is closed, so this is closed shape. But in this, if we will see, this is open from here and here also. Okay, and if we see the triangle and this C, so this is closed. Okay, here. So these all are the types of closed and these are open figures. Understood? Then moving towards our next part, that is polygon. So what are polygons? Closed figures or shapes made with line segments are called polygons. Okay, that means the figure should be closed. Doesn't matter how many lines. Okay, that we will study further. So just for now, what are polygons? The closed figures made with line segments is known as the polygons, and a polygon can have 3 or more than 3 sides. Okay, so let's see. If a polygon is having 3 sides, and what is it known? It is known as a triangle. Okay, a triangle has 3 vertices by which it is named. For example, A, B and C. We can see here. Okay, the triangle in this figure could be called ABC or BCA or CAB. Why? Because this and this. Let me make you more clear. Here 1, 2 and 3. So how to name these angles? ABC this one, BCA this one and CAB this one. Understood? Now taking our next figure, a polygon with 4 sides, it's known as the quadrilateral. Understood? Is known as the quadrilateral, and it is also of 2 types. If it's all 4 sides are equal, then what is known as? It is known as the square. Understood? And if opposite 2 sides are equal, then it is known as the rectangle. Understood? Once more, if all the 4 sides of a polygon are equal, then it is known as the square, and if the opposite 2 sides means this and this one, then it is known as the rectangle. Understood? Now let's start our exercise 17A. First of all, fill-ups are there. So see, fill-ups. A line dash starts and ends at fixed points. So if a line is having fixed points, means starting and ending point is given. Just now I have told you in the explanation, then it is known as a line segment. segment, segment. Understood? Line segment. Write it. Okay. Now second, B. A dash figure starts and ends at the same point. Which figure? Closed figure. Any of the figure, if it is closed, closed, closed. Okay. For example, if we are making this square, then we are starting it from here and ending from here. Okay. And for example, if we are making C, closed C, so we are starting from here and ending here. Understood? So what does it mean? a closed figure starts and ends at the same point. Okay. Now see C1. A closed figure made with line segments is called a polygon. Polygon. Okay. Closed figure with lines. Polygon. Understood? Now see D. A point where two sides of a polygon meet is called a vertex. It's called a VERTEX. Vertex. Understood? It is known as the vertex where two sides of a polygon meets. For example, this is the triangle. So these are the vertex. Okay, where two sides meet. Understood? So here now next one, E. A polygon with three sides is called a triangle. 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 Understood this one? Okay, with three sides, polygon is known as the triangle. Understood? Now write true or false. Any polygon with four sides is called a square? No. False. Why false? Because what is the characteristics of a square? All the four sides are equal in a square. But in the question it is said that every four sides, enclosed four sides are square. So it is false. Now see B part. All the sides of rectangle are equal? False. Rectangles, opposite two sides are equal. Okay. Then see D part. All square has four vertices. True. Okay. Then a square has, D1. A line does not have a fixed length. True. Line segment has, but a line doesn't have a fixed length. Okay. Then last one, a line segment has two endpoints. True. Line segment has two endpoints. Understood? Now see third part. See, I am explaining you, this you have to do yourself. Draw polygons like the ones given below. The sides need not to be equal, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With any 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a polygon, okay? This you have to make. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? The side need not to be equal. Okay? Now see the B part. Measure the line segment AC and BD. This scale. Okay? With the help of scale you have to measure A, C and BD. And you have to write. Understood? Okay? Now see exercise number 17. B. Okay, before doing this exercise, let me explain you something about circle. So, what is circle, beta? Let me tell you. See, this is a circle, okay? And in this, there is a center of the circle, okay? Point from where we make the circle, that is the center. It is in the center of the circle. And listen carefully. If a line passing through it, okay, from the center of the circle to the two endpoints on the circle, so that is known as the diameter. That is known as the diameter. And just half of diameter is the radius. And just half of the diameter is radius. But it should be from center of the circle. Okay, many of the radius we can draw in the circle. And third one is chord. What is chord? Chord is any line within the circle, but it doesn't pass from the center. Understood? Understood all the three things? That means chord, diameter and radius. Okay? So the important thing is, what is the important thing? That the diameter is equals to 2 of radius, means double of radius. For example, if radius is 2 centimeter, then what will be the diameter? 1. If the radius is 2 centimeter, then diameter will be 4 centimeter, means double of radius. Understood? If you have to take out the diameter or you have to take out the radius from the given one, then you can take out it by this method. Understood? So, let's start our exercise number 17B. First of all, fill-ups. every point on a circle is at the same distance from the center. CENTRE, center. Just now I have told you. See once again, this is a circle and the midpoint of the circle is known as the center. Understood? This one in the center. Understood? Now see B part. A diameter is equals to dash radius, means double of radius, 2x. Okay. Now see, the entire length of a circle is its circumference. Write the spelling beta. CIRCUMFERENCE, circumference. Okay. Then see D1. The diameter of a circle is 1 centimeter. Then its radius is just a half of 1. Okay. So what is it? This is 0.5 centimeter, or if you want to convert it into the millimeter, then it will be 5 millimeter or 0.5 centimeter. Any one you can write. So 5 millimeter is the answer of D. Then E1. The radius of a circle is 50. Okay. The radius of a circle is 50. What will be its diameter? 1 meter. Okay. Because it is just double of radius. Okay. So 1 meter. Understood? Now see true false. First one, a line segment joining to center of a circle to a point on it is called a chord. False. Okay. Why? Because it is known as the radius, not the chord. A coordinate passes through the center of a circle is a diameter. Very true. Okay. Or in other words, we can say a diameter is the largest chord of the circle. A diameter divides a circle into 2 halves. True. Very true. A circle of radius 1 centimeter is smaller than a circle of radius 9 millimeter. False. Then see last one. A circle has only 1 diameter. False. Many. Okay. So understood? If you haven't done, then you can repeat the video. Okay. Now see 18th chapter, shapes and designs. Okay. So shapes and designs very easy. We can see a tiling is a pattern made of shapes fitting neatly next to each other. Okay. No space is left between. Okay. Or among the tiles. So without leaving gaps, some examples of tiling are given here. Okay. Square, then triangle with equal sides and polygon with equal sides. Here all the types of tiles are given here in our homes also. Nowadays we are using tiles only. Understood? Now here in this color to make designs. So this is very simple. I think you can do better than me. Okay. To make the designs, see here you can fill with blue color. Okay. And then again any more color with the pink color. Okay. With this you can prepare the designs. Okay. In this as well as in this also. Understood? Okay. Then see next one. Here also now what's the important thing in this chapter is line of symmetry or symmetry in shapes. Okay. So let's come to know what is symmetry. So some shapes can be divided into 2 halves that are of the same size and shape. Keep it in mind beta, which are in the same size as well as in the same shape. Only that can be divided into 2 halves, otherwise not. Okay. So we say that such shapes have symmetry or the shapes are symmetrical. Understood? Some symmetrical shapes are given below. You can see here beta. Just one thing you have to keep in mind, the same size as well as the shape. Okay. Shape and size should be same. Only then you can make the line of symmetry. For example, in these all. Okay. Understood? Now let's move. Here only one exercise is given, not exercise also, just for practice. So trace and fold to check symmetry. A shape may have more than one line of symmetry. So no problem. This shape, first of all, yellow one, only one line of symmetry we can draw here. Okay. See how to draw like this. Okay. If we will fold it just half, so that it will lie on it. Okay. So in H, this one and this one. Okay. So you can do 9W only 1. Okay, so you have to try it in the homework. Understood? So what is your homework? Your homework is to complete your work. Understood? Very simple exercise these are. You have to do. Okay, revise it.